Hi there, my name is Paul Brouillette and I am with LAER Realty Partners. I want to thank you today for tuning into our video blog. Today we're going to discuss home inspections. What is a home inspection? Well, whenever you purchase a home in the state of Massachusetts, or for that matter any place in the United States, it's wise for you to have a professional home inspector who's designated with the ability and the credentials to be able to inspect that property to conduct a home inspection. What happens in the context of a home inspection? Well, first and foremost, the home inspector goes through all of the systems in the home: heating, electrical, air conditioning, all of the structural elements of a home, the history of the home, whether or not there's any seepage or water in the basement, any of the conditions regarding contaminants such as lead paint, asbestos, mold, vermiculite insulation, or any types of exterior siding products that may have some negative characteristics. The purpose of the home inspection is to evaluate the property, identify any issues that may be concerns to you as a buyer, provide a scientific evaluation and report of all of the aspects in general of the property, so that when you purchase that home, you'll know if there are any defects, you'll know how to handle them for the most part, and you'll know what the value of the property is with regard to any of the negative characteristics that arise out of a home inspection. What is the benefit of having a home inspection? Well, the benefit is that if a property is such that some of the defects are not correctable, or if they can't be negotiated out with a prospective seller, you may want to walk away from that property if the home inspection reveals that there are problems that are insurmountable. Lastly, it helps you to know exactly what you're doing before you sign on the bottom line and make a 30-year commitment in the form of a mortgage to purchase that home and to live in that home. If you have any other further questions regarding inspections, whether it be radon inspections, water radon, home inspections, lead paint inspections, asbestos inspections, roof inspections, whatever the case may be, feel free to reach out to us and give us a call at the number on the screen, or you can reach us online at www.homesrus.com. Thank you for tuning in. We will talk to you next time. Have a great day.